the role of technology in improving the quality of education?
Technology has great potential to increase interactivity and flexibility in learning.
Have you thought about how to overcome education gap in remote areas?
One, one way is to expand access to educational infrastructure and improve teacher training in the area.
Why is it important to pay attention to inclusive education for children with special needs?
Because every child has the potential and inclusive education helps create a more empathic and inclusive society.
How do you see the role of parents in supporting their children's education?
Parents have a crucial role in providing emotional, financial, and motivation support to children in their education.
Why is it important to apply a curriculum that is relevant to the development of the times?
A relevant curriculum can prepare students with the skill necessary to second in the modern era.
What do you think about the role of art and sport in education?
Art and sport can help develop student creativity, social skill, and mental health.
How to overcome the problem of dropping out at school?
One way is to provide relevant and interesting learning programs, as well as provide social support and motivation to students.
Why is it important to pay attention to student mental well-being in educational setting?
Good mental well-being is fundamental to effective learning and positive personal growth.
What do you think about the integration of multicultural education in the curriculum?
The integration of multicultural education is important to promote respect for diversity and build intercultural awareness.
Why is the role of the teacher considered very important in educational process?
Because teacher act as learning mentors and explain for students.
Are you thinking what solution to increase female participation in STEM education?
One solution is to provide special support program and induce successful female role model is STEM 5.
What do you think about evaluation and assessment system in education?
A fair assessment evaluation system can help motivate students and improve the quality of learning.
What can be done to improve the quality of education in developing countries?
Measures include increased investment in educational infrastructure, better teacher training, and development of relevant curriculum.
What do you think about the importance of lifelong learning?
Lifelong learning is important to prepare individuals to face the things and demand their life and career.
So, why is collaboration between schools and industry needed to support vocational education?
This collaboration can ensure that vocational education programs are relevant to industry needs and increase job opportunities for graduates.
What do you think about the use of social media in an educational context?
Social media can be an effective tool for sharing information and promoting collaboration, but it needs to be monitored visually.
What do you think about the use of social media in an educational context?
Social media can be an effective tool for sharing information and promoting collaboration, but it needs to monitor it visually.
Are you thinking about strategies to overcome the problem of harassment and bullying in school environment?
Strategies include raising awareness, implementing threat and harassment policies, and character building to respect differences.
Why is it important to introduce financial education in schools?
Financial education help prepare students with the knowledge and skill necessary to manage finances visually and in the future.
What do you think about education in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic?
Despite facing challenge, education in the pandemic era has excellent digital innovation and top flexibility in learning.
What can be done to improve access to education for children from disadvantaged families?
Steps include awarding scholarships, providing financial aid, and community support to create an inclusive learning environment.
What do you think about the role of motivation in learning?
Strong motivation can increase student interest and improvement in learning, as well as trigger better academic and achievement.
Why is it important to develop soft skills in school?
Soft skills such as communication, leadership, and collaboration are the key to success in personal and professional life.
Are you thinking about educational innovation that can increase the attractiveness of learning?
Innovation such as the use of technology for the basic learning and game-based approaches can increase the interest and effectiveness of learning.
What do you think about the importance of character education in school?
Character education help for ethical values, leadership, and responsibility, which are important in forming good individuals.
What can be done to overcome the challenge of a lack of qualified teachers?
Solutions include improve activities and working conditions, comprehensive training, and professional development.
Why is education considered important in a country's development?
Education is considered important because it provides a foundation of knowledge and skill for individuals to contribute to the program of the country.
What is the role of technology in the transformation of modern education?
Technology enables with access to education, innovation in teaching methods, and increase emphasis in the learning process.
What do you think about the importance of teacher empowerment in the education system?
Empowering teacher is very important because they are the key to providing quality education to future generation.
Why must the curriculum continue to be updated according to current development?
So that students read cash education that is relevant to the demands of the times and prepared to face global change.
What are effective strategies for increasing student interest in learning?
One effective strategy in to present learning that is interesting, relevant, and related to students' daily lives.
Do you think about the importance of lifelong learning?
Yes, lifelong learning is important because it allows individuals to continue to develop, adapt to change, and improve their quality of life.
Why is inclusive education the main focus in the modern education system?
Inclusive education is important because it provides opportunities for all individuals, including those with special needs, to receive an education without discrimination.
How does the use of social media impact the education of children and teenagers?
The use of social media can have a positive impact if used visually as an additional learning tool, but it also needs to be moderated so that it does not interfere with the learning process.
What do you think about the importance of moral and ethical values in education?
Moral and ethical values are very important in education because they shape good character in individual and help create a more harmonious society.
Why is strengthening digital literacy important in the current digital era?
Digital literacy is important because it enables individuals to access and use information effectively in an essential compact digital environment.
How to overcome educational disparities between urban and rural areas?
One way is to increase accessibility to educational facilities, empower teachers in rural areas, and implement educational programs that serve local needs.
Do you think about the importance of multicultural education in representing diversity?
Yes, multicultural education is important to teach respect for the diversity of cultures, religions, and values of society.
Why is project-based learning an effective method in education?
Project-based learning methods are effective because they integrate theory-based practice, improve critical thinking skill, and facilitate learning.
How does global mobility impact education and student identity formation?
Global mobility can enrich students' educational embrace wide exposure to diverse cultures and perfect, but it also requires support to maintain their cultural identity.
What do you think about the role of parents in supporting their children education?
The role of parents is very important in supporting children education, including by providing encouragement, guidance, and emotional and material support.
Right, thank you.
Thank you.
What you doing for this? Thank you.